Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. Hope you're doing well and keeping safe within your bubbles. I'm Kavneet from Green Prescription Sport Auckland, and today we are at day 28 of our daily activity challenge. So in today's session we'll be focusing on something very intricate called as the breath. We usually take our breaths for granted, but actually it is a very important aspect. We're nothing without our breaths. So today we're going to focus on very easy, simple breathing techniques. So why are we even talking about breathing in meditation and mindfulness in today's session? Is because calming your mind is very important, and yoga and meditation and breathing control really helps you do that. So with these three simple techniques, you'll be able to calm your mind, reduce the stress, reduce the anxiety and panic in times of crisis like these or in any other situations which are stressful, and learn how to make better and wiser decisions, and just also relieves our body of muscle aches and tensions. So we're learning about three breathing techniques today. One is called as the square breathing, second is called as the diaphragmatic breathing, and the third one is called the 4-7-8 breathing technique. So these are really simple, and I'm just going to demonstrate how we do that. So first of all, you can either set up cross-legged on a mat like this, or you can put a pillow underneath for better support for postural correction, or you can also sit up straight on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, making sure that the spine is always nice and tall, it's curved, and just relax and be in the present. Close your eyes for a moment, bring yourself to the present, focus on your breath, take a nice deep breath in. So for the square breathing, we start at the right corner of upper right corner of the square, and you imagine yourself breathing for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, exhaling for 4 seconds, and holding out the air for 4 seconds. So forming a square. So we'll start at the upper right corner of the square here. So we're breathing in for 4 seconds. So I breathed it in for 4, held for 4, exhaled for 4, and held the air out for 4 seconds, forming a square. So you can do these repetitions, hold for 4 seconds, and repeat these. Now for the diaphragmatic breathing, place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly button. Like we usually breathe through our chests and not through our stomach too much. So for the diaphragmatic breathing, I want you to keep your chest steady while moving your stomach. So when you inhale, your stomach should rise out, and when you exhale, it should go in. Just as you see a baby sleeping, so when he inhales and exhales, you see the tummy moving. So I want you to inhale and the tummy should rise out. So I'm breathing only through my tummy. When I inhale, the tummy goes out. Exhale and in. So you see my chest is steady, but it's my stomach that's rising and falling. So practice this diaphragmatic breathing. It's a very deep breathing technique and relaxes you. So, and the next one is the 4-7-8 technique. 4-7-8 technique means that you breathe in for 4 seconds, hold the breath for 7, and exhale out slowly through your mouth with 8 seconds. So we're going to inhale for 4 seconds, So this is the 4-7-8 method. Breathe in for 4, hold for 7, and exhale for 8 seconds. So the square, the diaphragmatic, and the 4-7-8 technique, these are very simple techniques, and practice them every day and see the difference for yourself. So do tell us how it goes out for you. Like the video, like the page, comment below, and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much.